Howdy, this is Dix from A Fool's Journey. I'm just going to do a quick, to the point check-in for next week, okay? Stay tuned. Howdy, this is Dix from A Fool's Journey. I've got my tarot deck. I'm going to pull one card and riff on it and just get right to the point. 9 of Pentacles. I want to tell you to be refined. Not stick your pinky finger out when you drink your tea. Graceful, kind, understanding. Take a broader perspective. My sense is that there's a lot for you to watch if you're not trying to jump in there and control other people or run the world or decide what's right or wrong. Look at everything that comes up like a learning experience or like a potential education for you. Way to open your eyes, and you'll make the most out of the week. I hope that's helpful for you. If it is, let me know. If not, okay, maybe next time. Take care. Peace out. Bye-bye. Excuse me, that's the sound of the cats. Oh, cats, can you not do that? They're worse than kids.